Did someone say horror bombs? I have two unboxings today. The first one is from Glitter and Gore, and she included this cute little rubber ducky. He's so cute. So I'm going to, everything is packaged obviously super nicely, so I'm going to unwrap this stuff and I'll be back. First of all, let me tell you, I love everything. So what did we have? Oh my gosh, he's so freaking cute and retro. I forgot the name of this one and there's no label on it. So anyway, I love this guy. Reminds me of Felix the cat from back in the day. So cute. And it smells like black cherry. It smells so good. Come on now. Come on. Look at that, Glitter and Gore, you rock. This one does have a label, and it's Annabelle, obviously, but look how cute she is. She's creepy. I can't tell what that one smells like. All right, we have the Glitter and Gore logo. I love this one. I had to have it because it's her freaking logo, and I've always thought it was so super cute. And this is called the Bubble Reaper Bath Bomb. This one smells nice too. Smells, is it fruity? Can't really tell because it's wrapped so well. Look at the size of this, y'all. Look at it. Goodness, this thing is huge. It's called Doll Face. It's huge. And it's lovely. So lovely. I love that. All right, and then the last one we have is so shimmery. Look at that. This one is called Goth Mermaid, and she's cute. This is the first time I've actually seen someone take the time to paint the mermaid differently on this mold. Usually I just see this mold as just one color, but this is super nice to see it in different colors and actually some glitter there. So cute. Oh, I don't know what this scent is, but I love it. Oh my gosh. Wow. All right. So that's what I have from Glitter and Gore. We have this one, which I forgot the name of. We have Annabelle. We have the Bubble Reaper. We have, what is this called again? Doll Face. And then the Goth Mermaid. So that's all that I have today from Glitter and Gore, but I'll be back with one more unboxing, and it is also horror. So the second unboxing is from Voodoo Bath and Apothecary, and this one's also packed very, very well. Just wanted to show you guys, and then I'll be back with everything unwrapped. So we are back. All right, first of all, take a look at that. The detail on this is crazy. This is Captain Spaulding, obviously. Oh my gosh. This one was a little more expensive than the others. I think it was $15, but the work she put into it is worth it. Look at that. Shimmery, even the teeth. All right, what's next? So I got a little Frankenstein. So shimmery. Then we got his boo. Looks like her nose got a little smushed. Who cares? It's so cute. I love the colors she uses. For instance, this is a different green than this one. This one's darker, but it's still so pretty. Both of them, the choice of green is awesome. The last one that we have, obviously the nun, and look at the detail on that. So pretty. I can't smell any of these through the plastic for some reason, because they're not like shrink wrapped or anything, but for some reason I can't smell them. So I'll have to let you know what they smell like when I do the demo. So also included in this box were these two, oops, I'm so sorry. I was trying to look at the heart. It's a heart and it's a sparkly heart. Resin pieces. And very cute. I guess she makes these as well. I like watching the videos of when they pop them out of the mold. This is so shimmery it won't even focus. So pretty. All right, so what did we have again? We had Captain Spaulding. We had the Franken couple. And we have the nun. They are all amazing. I don't even know which one of these bath bombs to use. That includes this set and the set from Glitter and Gore from earlier. I don't know which ones I want to use first because they are just so freaking awesome. All of them. All right, guys, that's it for this unboxing. I will talk to you guys on the next one.